This classroom clock kit stands out because it combines one large demonstration clock with a full set of smaller student clocks, so an entire group can practice together without sharing. The geared hands move in a realistic way that keeps the hour and minute hands properly aligned, which helps children understand how actual analog clocks work instead of learning a simplified version. Bold, contrasting colors and clearly printed numerals make it easy for young learners and emerging readers to see the time from a distance and match what they see to textbook examples. The sturdy plastic construction and enclosed mechanics hold up well to daily classroom handling, avoiding the bent hands and torn faces that often happen with homemade paper clocks. A thoughtfully written activity guide is included, offering step-by-step ideas, games, and differentiation tips that support everyone from early learners to older students who need extra practice. Because the kit is so visual, tactile, and flexible, it fits naturally into Montessori-inspired environments, small group math lessons, and one-on-one intervention sessions focused on time skills.